Okay, welcome again to this episode. So I will be still presenting to you the types of DC generators. This is Engineer Monterola again. Okay, so we are done with discussing the permanent magnet DC generator. Okay, so next is separately excited DC generator. So this is the schematic diagram. No? So as the name itself, separately excited, so we need an outside source or outside um, exciting exciter so that we can have a magnetic field. No? So that example, the example of that one is battery. No? So we need a battery to supply our field windings. Okay, so this is the battery, external source, and this is your field windings. So, field windings na kay resistance. Diha. The stator side of your generator is this one. Okay? Your rotor part is the armature, no? So, ang armature, since coil man siya, so you have your resistance. And this is the brushes. Brushes. E stands for the generated MF of your armature. And that generator is connected to a certain load with a certain resistance. No? Nasa a resistance din. So, yung makita din your IA is equal to IL. No? Since series connection man siya. No? So, here, we have your load voltage. No? Load voltage here. Load terminal voltage. These are the generators whose field magnets are energized by some external DC source such as battery. Yes, I have said. A circuit diagram or separately excited DC generator is shown in the figure with the following symbols. So IA is the armature current here. No. IL, yes, the load current. The V is the terminal voltage. So sometimes that is BL. No? Most of the time VL atong gigamit. E or AZ is the generated EMF. No? So katong sa imuhang brushes na siya makuha nimo. Okay? So voltage drop in the armature is equal to voltage drop in this armature is IA times RA. So that is voltage or generated EMF here. No? So RA is the armature resistance. So pagkuha nimo ani nakay droppings. No? Sorry. IA times RA is the voltage drop. No? Voltage drop. So meaning kung naka-generate diri nga voltahe, no, sa imong generated EMF sa imong armature side, minusan nimo sa imong voltage drop sa imong armature since sa imong coil na may resistance, so nakay drops dito, no, nakay voltage drop. So malahos nimo pa dong sa imong load is this one, no, minusan nyo kanimo na generate, minusan na ning voltage drop, then mao na ang nalahos diri nga voltahe. As simple as that, no? That is a voltage division theorem. So let IA is equal to IL, so this one, or the total current I. So then voltage across the load is this one, VL or VE. So since I is equal to IL is equal to IA, so we are using I, so meaning V is equal to I times RA. No? Across the load, that is RL. Sorry. And then power generated is equal to this one. Whatever the voltage generated here times mo sa IA. or IL, or that is I, simply I. That is the power generated. Ang power delivered, lahi na po na. Power delivered to the external load is equal to, so naman tayo voltage dire, multiply na to sa current, that will be your load delivered. Okay, so ako malikon na, nasave ko dire, voltage across to the load, na load voltage is kani, times mo sa I, times mo sa RL. That is the voltage across the load. No? Okay? Or, pila man ang lalahos dire. So, if you have a certain amount here, generated EMF, then minusan mo ani, na minusan mo sa voltage drop, that will be your total voltage. So, kuan lang, no? Imo na lang applyan og KVL. So, VL is equal to A minus RA IA, no? IA RA. So, makuha na nimo ang VL. Or, in short, AG is equal to IARA times, okay, balikon. A is equal to IARA, okay, plus VL. Okay, so that will be your generated EMF. So here, the advantage of separately excited DC generator, if you have a certain controller of your voltage here, okay, you can vary the flux. And remember the formula Epson over 68. So if you vary the flux, the current here, you are also varying the amount of flux, no, delivered by the magnetic field, no, sa imong field windings. So yung mag-vary ang flux, so Epson, so you have N here, you have N flux, so maapektuhan po din mo ang generated EMF. Okay, so ma-apply, ma-control niya mo ang mga output. Okay, but if your external source battery, no, malobat siya, wala na kay supply sa imuhang field windings, what will happen to your generator? Do we have an output? No. Ano man? By using the Epson formula, kung 0 ang imong flux, masero na to tanan na imong numerator, no? 0 tanan, no? 0 imong output, no? So kung wala na kay lobat na imong kuan, or 0 na gid imong voltage dire, o dead na imong battery, so wala na kay nag-supply sa imong field windings. Therefore, there is to magnetic flux nga makat sa imong armature nga nagtuyok. So wala na kay output, no? That is the difference. Example, a separately excited DC generator when running at 1000 RPM, supplied 200 amperes at 125 volts. So what will be the load current when the speed drops to 800 RPM if IF is unchanged, wala sa nausab, no? Given that armature resistance is 0.04 ohms and the brush drop is equal to 2 volts. Okay, so yung makita diri, no, by looking at by inspection, you are given with speed, then we have 200 amperes nga imuhang load current, and you have terminal voltage which is 125. Suddenly ni ubos ang imuhang speed, no, from 1000 to 800 RPM na lang. Given that your IF is unchanged, so mean to say wala na ni mag-adjust sa imong current sa imong field. So what will be the load current na aning aside? So remember the formula katong remember What are those constant of the generating components after assembly? So we have the current path, sa ba to? Number of poles, di ba? Sa pa man. So atong mabari lang speed ug ang flux. So diri remain unchanged naman ang imong IF, so meaning we can assume that the flux is the same, still the same. So solution of this one, okay, so we have this schematic diagram. Okay, this is a field coil here, no? Field coil, you have IF, no, the current na supply the coil. Then we have VF here, the supplied the voltage sa imong field coil. And we have the armature, we have RL, we have RA, we have VT, we have IA. No, so same lang ang current can flow diri since it is connected in series. So this is a 200, no? As I've said, you have a rated load current which is 200. And we have VL, I mean, which is 125. RA is equal to 0.04, and voltage drop, brush drop is 2 volts. Okay, so solution. Condition number 1, generator running at 1000 RPM. Pila man ang atong RL? So RL is equal to 125 divided by 200 amperes is equal to 0.625 ohms. Okay, so you have RL. Dili na mausab kay mao man imong load. Dili na sa mausab. Condition number 2, at condition number 2 dili na sa mausab. Okay, easy here makuha na nato. Na naman tay RL. So 125, you have the load voltage, okay, plus 200 yung current nimo, plus times nimo sa armature resistance 0.04 plus imong voltage drop na 2 volts. So you have generated EMF which is 135 volts. So meaning to say your drop total is equal to 10, no? From 125, no, from generated EMF nga 135, 125 na nanabot sa load. 125 na nanabot sa load. At condition number 2, generator running at 800 RPM. Flux na to is constant. Load resistance does not change. Di na makasab. Na-compute naman to nimo. Okay? So, generated EMF at condition number 1 divided by generated EMF at condition number 2 is equal to, as I have said, mano lang atong mabari after assembling the flux and the speed. So since constant pa na atong flux, pwede na nato ma-cancel out. So kanina na mahabilin. So at condition number 1, generated EMF is 135. Condition number 2 is unknown, no? So 1000 divided by 800, so you have a generated EMF at 800 RPM is 108 volts. Mao na lang ni ang imuhang output, generated EMF kay nibaba man ang speed, directly proportional man siya. So makuha na nato ang VL2, no? VL2 o saman, so wala pa. So 108 is equal to VL2 plus 0.04 IL2 plus 2. To proceed, we have 108. Okay. So 0.625 IL2 plus 0.04 IL2 plus 2. So we have this one, we solve this one, no, kani 0.625 is the load resistance. So times na to sa IL2, since series naman siya, pareha ra gini sila, no? So ma-add lang na nato, no? Given naman natay brush drop, yan na natay generated EMF. So we have IL2 which is 159.4 amperes. So from 200 amperes, no, down to 159.4 amperes once the generator is running at 800 RPM. So this is our answer. This is the load current. Okay? Separately excited DC generator. We have another example, right? This one. The armature separately excited DC generator has a resistance of 0.26. When run at its rated speed, it supplies to a rated load of 4,725 watts at 125 volts across the load. How much induced EMF is generated in the armature? Remember, nakay saman power delivered. You have VL. So in this example, you can solve directly what is IL. And IL is equal to IA, di ba? So makuha na pod nimo ang saman imuhang VA, voltage drop across the armature nimo, no? Kuha nimo ang voltage drop across the armature. Pagkahuman, totalo na nimo ang imong na total diri nga voltage drop plus 125, that will be the generated EMF. So laki no? As easy as that. Wala may dimension diri kung naba siya brush drop, so meaning wala ta, assume zero ang ato ang brush drop. So, dali ra kayo mag-solve. How about the power generated? So, power generated is equal to the armature current, no, or IL times saman the voltage generated. So, what will be the induced EMF generated times nimo sa IL nga makuha nimo ani by using this given kani. So makuha nimo ang power generated. Kung diri pud ta, what is the power generated this time? Nakuha nimo na makay 200 at 1000 RPM, makuha nimo ang power generated. We have 135 times 200, so that will be the power generated of this example. No, at this but here kung arin ta sa condition number 2, totalo nimo kaning duha, that will be the power generated, no? 108 plus 159.4, that will be the power generated. Okay, so solve this one, solve this one on your own. Okay, your turn. So I want you to design your own separately excited DC generator, intended for low voltage, high current application. Decide the rating of your load. No, depende nimo kung unsay rating sa imong load, 125 volts ba siya? No, pilay power nga na dito. So solve, no, depende nimo unsa nimo. And then the final output is video presentation. So while nahuman na nimo pag-design, so imo pong i-discuss ang imong na-design niya, ang output will be video, no? Videohan ka. So mag-video kasi mo kagalingon. And then send nimo na ako, no? Okay? That's all for this discussion. Thank you and God bless everyone.